Now let's study about enthalpy. What is enthalpy? What is enthalpy and heat flow? Enthalpy, usually represented by H, is the energy transferred between a system and surroundings under constant pressure. The enthalpy of a system is equal to the system's internal energy plus the product of its pressure and volume. H is equal to E plus PV, where E is the system's internal energy and PV is the product of its pressure and volume. The unit of measurement for enthalpy in the International System of Units is the joule. However, other historical conventional units still are in use, including the British thermal unit BTU and the calorie. We cannot measure the absolute enthalpy of a system, but we can measure the change in enthalpy for a process. If the final and initial states have enthalpies Hi and Hf, then the change in enthalpy for the process can be defined as delta H is equal to Hf minus Hi, where Hf is representing the final state of enthalpy and Hi is representing the initial state of enthalpy. H is basically a state function. That is, the change in enthalpy depends only on the initial and final states, not on the process itself. Enthalpy is the preferred expression of systems' energy changes in many chemical, biological, and physical measurements of constant pressure because it simplifies the description of energy transfer. At constant pressure, the enthalpy change equals the energy transferred from the environment through heating or work other than expansion work, where you can see that if the heat energy is going in, the enthalpy of the system increases, and if the heat energy is going out, enthalpy of the system would decrease. As we have already studied, H is equal to E plus PV. Since internal energy, pressure and volume are all state functions, enthalpy is also a state function. Delta H is equal to Q at constant pressure, where only PV work is allowed. So, यहाँ पे हमें ये पता है कि सिस्टम की जो टोटल इंटरनल एनर्जी है दैट इज इक्वल टू क्यू पी प्लस डब्ल्यू. देन क्यू पी सिर्फ ये हम रीअरेंजमेंट कर रहे हैं जिसमें क्यू पी हमने इधर रहने दिया है और डेल्टा ई प्लस पी डेल्टा वी हमारे पास हो गया. अब हमें पता है कि एच इज इक्वल टू ई प्लस पी वी. If they both are state function, then we represent it by delta. Delta H is equal to delta E plus delta PV. Now डेल्टा एच इज इक्वल टू क्यू पी, इसलिए क्योंकि ये जो डेल्टा ई प्लस पी डेल्टा वी है ये हमें पता है कि ये क्यू पी के इक्वल होता है. तो फाइनली हम क्या कह सकते हैं कि डेल्टा एच जो होता है वो क्यू के इक्वल होता है एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. ये जो स्मॉल पी लिखा हुआ है दैट इज रिप्रेजेंटिंग द कांस्टेंट प्रेशर. The total enthalpy H of a system cannot be measured directly. The same situation exists in classical mechanics. Only a change or difference in energy carries physical meaning. Enthalpy itself is a thermodynamic potential, so in order to measure the enthalpy of a system, we must refer to a defined reference point. Therefore, what we measure is the change in enthalpy, that is delta H. The delta H is a positive change in endothermic reaction and negative in heat-releasing exothermic processes. Here is signs of delta H would be a negative if the reaction would be exothermic and heat would be released out. And sign of delta H would be positive if the reaction would be endothermic and heat would be absorbed by the system. So enthalpy is the heat content of a system. The enthalpy change of a reaction is roughly equivalent to the amount of energy lost or gained during the reaction. A reaction is favored if the enthalpy of the system decreases over the reaction. An enthalpy change basically describes the change in enthalpy observed in the constituents of a thermodynamic system when undergoing a transformation or chemical reaction. जितने भी chemical reactions हो रहे होते हैं, changings हो रही होती हैं during a reaction, उनको describe करने के लिए enthalpy change use होती है. It is a difference between the enthalpy after the process has completed, that is the enthalpy of the products, and the initial enthalpy of the system, that is of the reactants. These processes are reversible and the enthalpy for the reverse process is the negative value of the forward change. Following standard conditions include the enthalpy of substance or chemical reaction, a temperature of 25 degrees centigrade or 298 Kelvin, a pressure of 1 atmosphere or 101.325 kilopascals, a concentration of 1.0 molar when the element or compound is present in solution form, and elements or compounds in their normal physical state, that is the standard states. Hope so you have cleared the concept of enthalpy. In the next lesson we would study much more about it. Thank you.